Hello everyone and welcome to this video showcasing the incredible features of the boAt wave call smartwatch. I'm thrilled to introduce you to this stylish and powerful companion for your daily adventures. Let's kick things off by unboxing the wave call and explore what's inside the box. Here we have the sleek and elegant smartwatch itself, along with the charging cable, user manual and a warranty card. Now let's dive into the specification of boAt wave call. With its 1.69-inch HD display and impressive brightness of 515 nits, every details come to life on this vibrant screen. It supports advanced Bluetooth calling, allowing you to effortlessly stay connected to your friends, family and colleagues. Talking on call on this watch is a breeze. Let me show you how it sounds.
Hey Abhijit,
Hi sir.
can you send me the file?
Yes sir, I'll send it to you right now. The wave call also features a responsive and convenient dial pad, so you can easily make calls and save up to 10 contacts right on your wrist. Now, let's try something fun. You can choose from over 150 cloud watch faces to personalize your wave call and complement your everyday mood and outfit. The wave call is not just about style and communication. It's also about fantastic fitness companion. With over 100 sports mode to choose from, including walking, running, cycling, yoga, basketball and more. This smartwatch will keep you motivated and track your activities. Health is important and the wave call helps you monitor it. With features like heart rate monitoring and SpO2 tracking, you can keep a close eye on your physical indicators and make informed decisions about your well-being. Let's not forget about entertainment. The wave call allows you to enjoy your favorite music on the go, whether you're working out or relaxing. You can control the volume right on your wrist. Are you ready to capture some memories? You can also take pictures with this smartwatch. The wave call's 1.69-inch HD display with 515 nits of brightness ensures your photos come out sharp and vibrant. The boAt wave call is designed to be a reliable companion throughout the day. With an IP68 rating, it is sweat, dust and splash resistant, so you can wear it confidently during your workout. I have been using the boAt wave call for a while now and I must say it's been a delightful experience. The watch is comfortable to wear and its user interface is intuitive and responsive. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 7 days and up to 2 days with Bluetooth calling activation. Speaking of my user experience, the app integration have been seamless, allowing me to stay connected with my smartphone and access notification effortlessly. The boAt wave call smartwatch comes in a variety of stunning colors including active black, Caribbean green, cherry blossom, deep blue and mauve, so you can choose that one suits your style the best.